Topic 2.4, Developing Rules to Divide Integers. For any multiplication fact with two different whole number factors, you can write two related division facts. And the reason we can do this is because multiplication and division are inverse operations. They undo each other. For example, from 9 times 7 is equal to 63, we know two division facts. Do you know what they are? If 9 times 7 is equal to 63, we should be able to determine that 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. And we should also be able to determine that 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. We can apply these same strategies to multiplication facts with two different integer factors. For example, we know that negative 5 times positive 3 is equal to negative 15. So negative 15 divided by positive 3 is equal to negative 5. And negative 15 divided by negative 5 is equal to positive 3. A division expression can be written with a division sign that looks like this, or as a fraction. Okay, the fraction bar, this bar underneath the negative 15, simply means divide. It acts as a grouping symbol, which keeps terms together like brackets do in a problem. Let's try a couple of examples. If we know that negative 2 times positive 8 is equal to negative 16, then we also know two division facts. So we should know that negative 16 divided by positive 8 is going to equal negative 2. And we should also know that negative 16 divided by negative 2 is going to equal positive 8. So what you're doing is you're just reorganizing these values, changing the operation, and demonstrating that you understand that relationship. Let's try number 2. So if we know that negative 3 times negative 6 is equal to negative 18, then we know two division facts. So negative 18 divided by negative 6 is going to be equal to negative 3. And negative 18 divided by negative 3 is going to be equal to negative 6. Now, with an understanding that multiplication and division are simply inverse operations that undo each other, we should be able to use the same rules that we use and develop to multiply integers to divide them. So the rules, if you recall, are if the signs are the same, the answer is going to be positive. The answer to a division problem is called the quotient. So the quotient will be positive. Okay, so that would include both positive and negative integers. So positive divided by positive will equal positive. A negative divided by a negative will also equal a positive. All right, and the second rule is if the signs are different, the quotient will be negative.
Okay, and it doesn't matter the order. A positive divided by a negative will always equal a negative, and a negative divided by a positive
will also equal a negative. Now let's get a bit more practice. Take question A, for example. Positive 12 divided by positive 4. Keeping my rules in mind, I'm going to have a look at the symbols. They're both positive, so I know my answer, the quotient, is going to also be positive. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and it's a positive 3. B, positive 81 divided by negative 9. Have a look at the signs. I have a positive and a negative. So before I even actually calculate the quotient, I know that it is negative. 81 divided by 9 is 9, and this is going to be a negative 9. Now you try the last 4 and check your answers at the end of the video.